Okay, it's time to put the bottle holder on. So, what you do is you put it on, line it up with the screw hole, like this, and hopefully you have a magnetic screwdriver that holds onto the screw, like you see this does. And line that up, and hopefully we can start this screw in that hole. And it did go. And get the other screw, start the other side before we tighten it completely down. Bring the light over here a little more, because I can't see it. Yeah, this one's going right in. That one on that side had a little resistance, so I'm just going to tighten this one right up. Ain't going anywhere after that. Yeah, it's not all the way tight, but this one here had some resistance, and sometimes when you back it off and then start again, it's good. I can't tell if you can see what I'm doing. Yeah, I guess you can see some of it. Okay. Don't go any further than a very gentle tightness, and that's it. So that bottle, water bottle holder's on. Let's